Hey girlies, it's your girl TJ. We are back with Outre Dominica. Y'all know everybody loves Outre Dominica, okay? If you guys are not new here, you would know that I actually installed this in the color 1B sometime last year, maybe last summer. I don't remember when exactly, but it's on my channel. But I will link it below just in case you guys want to see what she looks like in the color 1B. But I had to get her in Havana Brown because y'all know fall is here. So we are about to get started with the fall install. So let's get started. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful, beautiful chocolate brown, y'all. This wig is thick. I don't care what nobody say. The density is probably a 1,000. But this is the overall hairline. It has baby hairs. Off camera, I went ahead and tinted my lace using my lace tinting spray in the shade medium brown. As you guys can see, it looks 20 times better with that tinting spray. I do go ahead and wipe off that spray. However, the wig is brown, so it doesn't really matter if it's on the roots or not. So that is a good thing. But I am combing the baby hairs back into the hairline so we can go ahead and prep. So we're gonna go ahead and hot comb the hairline. Today I wanted to have my hairline looking real sleek and laid, so I did put it on the setting of 10. This is what the hairline looks like overall. If you would like to go in and pluck it a little bit more, you can do that, but for me that's just doing too much. That's too much work. Ain't nobody got time for that, so I ain't doing it. I'm gonna go in and cut off the lace because y'all know I always say the less the lace the better, and I'm gonna go ahead and create some jagged edges because it has to look natural as possible. I felt like this wig you can wear it glueless because baby, I tightened that elastic band and it was snug in the center. However, I am making it fit around my ears. I would consider this big head friendly, but it was very snug with the elastic band. So if your head is big, you may have to cut it out. But look at it, it ain't going nowhere. Now you're gonna have to secure it down the sides, but you know, everything else you could literally wear this glueless. So we just gonna do our everyday what is it, install. I'm pretty sure I walk you through on how to install the wig in the 1B version of Dominica, so I will have that link below. I don't feel like talking about this process, okay? I'm gonna talk about this hair a little bit. I love chocolate units because like I said, it's not too much far from jet black or off black, so it's really a safety cover for me. So if I were to, you know, pick a color, it would always be chocolate brown because like I said, it's just closest to black and it's just so pretty for the freaking fall. So I'm just gonna ramble a little bit because y'all was thinking about something. Y'all know how when you go on to try on jeans, like in any type of store, I really hate trying on jeans anyway because it is very annoying. But anyway, I feel like I don't know if they have this anywhere, but I personally feel that they need to have something for people to put inside the jeans, like when they're trying it on, because it was this one time I was trying on jeans, right? And before I could even get the jeans on, I smelled like a stench. And I was like, baby, I know you fucking lying. I know you fucking lying. So did you you wouldn't believe that them jeans was raunchy. Like, I don't probably won't be buying no jeans from no store because I don't know. I just feel like they should do that for safety purposes because it ain't no way that them jeans was supposed to be smelling like that. Maybe somebody wore them all day and returned them. I don't know what they had going on, but that was a no. I was like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. But y'all know I'm doing baby hairs. I have not did baby hairs my last couple of installs, so that's what I want to do today. So I'm just taking my Got to Be Glue spray and I'm just going in and just swooping my baby hairs. I need to get some more of that Orange jelly because me and Got to Be Glue, that gets on my nerves because it takes too long to adhere. I just have no patience anymore for hair installs. I really like them to be very quick and easy so I can get up and get done. I don't know what has been going on with me lately, but I have no patience, okay? So since I didn't have any more of that jelly stuff, I had to swoop my baby hairs using that, and I was tired. Okay, it takes too long. All right, so we gonna try out a few styles, y'all. I'm obsessed with this freaking color. I just need a bunch of Hershey Kisses and Hershey bars. I just needed a whole chocolate theme. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna decorate my background for the fall. I think last year I had like dark curtains, pumpkins, bulls, I think. I don't remember. Anyway, y'all, I'm doing a lot of body. I'm using this to redefine the curls because with curly units, y'all, especially synthetic, they will look frizzy in a hot minute, and who got time for that? I personally feel like the wet line gel holds the curl better than foam wrap lotion. That's just my personal opinion. They say with curly units, you're not supposed to be doing too much running your hands through it, and that is factual because it will, look a little frizzy. And showcasing you guys styles that I did with this unit, I could not for the life of me do a middle part. I'm so sick of middle parts. I just was like, no, I'm not doing it. I think I did it with the 1B unit, but I wasn't trying to do it here. So I was, playing around with it, putting up in a high pony, just give you guys a different variety of styles that you can do with the unit. And like I said, do be mindful, this is synthetic, okay? So I am going in to put my headband on. This is actually a 𝐷𝐻𝐿 headband, which is extremely dirty. I need to actually wash it, but so we just gonna fold down that dirt and make this unit work. I mean headband work. I really love the headband touch on it. I just feel like it just gives what it's supposed to give with the headband. So this is pretty much it because I don't remember doing nothing else. Well, I did a high pony as well, and I liked that look too. But the headband just set everything off. My thoughts and opinions still remain the same as the original video. So if you guys want more, details on the unit in full, go watch that video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.